name is Dodam.
I'm San.
Today we are going to talk about how to choose a correct size violin for you. There are two ways. First is without measuring tape.
Without. Okay.
Okay, so let's
see. We'll start with this one.
Okay, so why don't you grab the scroll?
Like this?
Yes. So he grabs the scroll.
Scroll? I got the scroll. Yeah.
Scroll.
Scroll.
It's a Korean accent.
Scroll.
Scroll. And then you know how his arm is very bent? It's almost 90 degrees. That means it's small.
It feels a little small.
Yes. Actually, this violin is 3/4 size, and he needs a full size violin. Another way we can measure is straight.
Straight out, straight up.
And the tip of the scroll is below his wrist. Okay, that means it's small. For example, if he had a bigger violin, then it's going to be stretched here, and the scroll will be on the palm of his hand. So that means it's too big. Okay, so the best way is to put the scroll about here between his hand and the wrist. That'll be the perfect size. Okay.
So let's try the size bigger. This one's good. Shoulder wrist.
So this is a full-size violin.
I got the scroll.
So this is nicely bent. It's not 90 degrees. It's natural.
Relaxed.
And then why don't you? So it's still a little bit small on him because he's a
I'm
big
a
man.
full-grown man.
But
well, yeah, I'm a medium-sized man. And most adults are gonna have a little room. But you know, the full-size violin is full-size. There's nothing bigger. So if you're like 8 feet tall, you're gonna have to just deal with it. But this is the right size. This feels right. The tip of the scroll is near my wrist. I'm gonna grab the scroll. This feels nice and relaxed. So when I'm playing, the arm is relaxed.
right.
It's about 90 degrees, and it's not like up here. It's not like in here. Right here. Okay.
Can you try the 1/8 size?
And we have a tiny violin. Okay. Obviously. Wrong.
So your leg is here, so it's very
wrong.
small on him.
I could probably play it, but very small. So, so if you're not sure if it's here, a little bit here, always it's better to go with the bigger size.
Smaller size.
Smaller size. Okay. Smaller is the answer.
Okay, so that was the way without the measuring tape. Okay, second way is with measuring tape. Where is this? Oh,
this
good.
fancy thing. You measure. How do you measure?
So, from middle of your palm to base of your neck.
Right here.
You're gonna measure that. Okay. So Sana is 27 inches.
27 inches.
Yes. So we're gonna provide the measurement chart. So compare your measurement to the chart. So 27 is obviously full size. 23 inches and up are full size violin. Okay?
Okay.
And
let's try measuring you.
okay.
Like that. Arm fully stretched.
Right. Fully stretched.
Then base your neck. Let's see.
It's right here.
24 inches.
24 inches. So
still full size.
yay.
All right, she passes. Okay.
So the best way is to first ask your teacher, just in case if you're in between which size to choose. And another way is to go to the violin shop. Come to violin shop and measure. You can try different sizes and feel how it's fit for you. And yeah, that'll be the other way.
Yeah, remember, always go with the smaller size if you're not sure. And talk to your teachers, talk to the shop owners. Yeah, they'll help you out. Okay. And if you're ever in the LA area, you know where to find us.
LA Violin Shop. Okay, so
So if you like our video, please leave us a comment. If you don't like our video, please leave us a comment. Like button, dislike button, subscribe to us, and we'll provide you with a lot of good information, fun stuff, and some playing also. Okay.
Okay, so hope to see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.